Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy lesson 34. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Feel, feeling, emotion, mood, sense, thought, idea, belief, opinion, view, mind, heart. Okay, listen to the English words again and repeat them after me. Feel, feel, feeling, feeling, emotion, emotion, mood, mood, sense, sense, thought, thought, idea, idea, belief, belief, opinion, opinion, view, view, mind, mind, heart, heart. Very good. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. I feel happy. Feeling good. Strong emotion. Bad mood. Sense of humour. A happy thought. A good idea. Belief in you. In my opinion. Lovely view. On my mind. Change of heart. Good. Now, just listen. Sometimes our mood can change quickly. My belief is that hard work brings success. We all have a different view of the world. A good idea often starts with a small thought. Now, listen to this simple story using all of the words. Anna sits near the window and looks outside. She is in a good mood because the sun is warm. Her friend Tom can see that she is happy. He asks Anna what she thinks about the view. She says, "In my opinion, this place is beautiful." Tom has a thought about making a big change soon. He has an idea to start a small business. Anna has an open mind and a good heart. Her belief is that they can succeed. They both feel ready to work hard for their future. They have a good sense that life will become better. This strong emotion keeps them feeling happy. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Feel, feeling, emotion, mood, sense, thought, idea, belief, opinion, view, mind, heart. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.